evening and welcome to today's class. Now today we're going to look at exercise 4. It's a vocabulary exercise. Now exercise 4 on page 81, page 81 looks like this. So we're going to talk about word building, noun formation. So let's read the information in the green box together. So it says noun formation. With many verbs you can make a noun by adding ion, S-I-O-N or A-T-I-O-N. For example, decide becomes decision. Imagine becomes imagination. But others change when you form a noun, no? And the noun is quite different, no? To the verb. Let's have a look at the example. The example is see and the noun is sight, no? So this is what we are going to look at today. We're going to look at some verbs whose noun become ion, S-I-O-N or A-T-I-O-N, but we're going to also look at some whose noun is a completely different word. So let's look at exercise A. Now it says, with a partner, try to complete the chart. Now I'm not going to read the verbs because later we have to underline the stressed syllable. So pause the video now and take a moment to see if you can complete the chart. Now, how did you do? Are you ready to look? Because we're going to check right now. So it says, exercise B, listen and check, underline the stressed syllable in the verbs and the nouns. Okay, shall we listen and check? And you will notice that I have underlined the stressed syllables. Here we go.
4.53.
Opt. Option.
Decide. Decision.
Imagine. Imagination.
Inform. Information.
Elect. Election.
Invite. Invitation.
Organize. Organization.
Educate. Education.
Confuse. Confusion.
Choose. Choice.
Live. Life.
Die. Death.
Succeed. Success.
Now, how did you do? Any problems there? Did you notice that in the first group, sometimes the syllable changes from the verb to the noun? Did you notice? Well, now listen again. And what do you notice about the nouns ending in T-I-O-N or S-I-O-N? Now, I've told you that sometimes the syllable changes. Let's see if we can identify our rule. Are you ready?
4.53.
Opt. Option.
Decide. Decision.
Imagine. Imagination.
Inform. Information.
Elect. Election.
Invite. Invitation.
Organize. Organization.
Educate. Education.
Confuse. Confusion.
Choose. Choice.
Live. Life.
Die. Death.
Succeed. Success.
Now, there are two things you should notice. One with relation to pronunciation and one with relation to stressed syllables. Shall we check? So what did you notice? Two things. Well, number one, T-I-O-N and S-I-O-N are pronounced shun, like imagination, or jeune, like decision. No, television would be another example there. And number 2, the stress is always on the syllable before this ending. So you know that if the word ends in tion or sion, the stressed syllable is always the previous syllable, the one before tion or sion. Now listen again and repeat. Pay particular attention to shun and jeune, and also the stressed syllable. Here we go.
4.53.
Opt. Option.
Decide. Decision.
Imagine. Imagination.
Inform. Information.
Elect. Election.
Invite. Invitation.
Organize. Organization.
Educate. Education.
Confuse. Confusion.
Choose. Choice.
Live. Life.
Die. Death.
Succeed. Success.
Now again, feel free to play the recording again, listen and repeat as many times as necessary. But did you notice we've got shun and jeune? Did you notice which ones are shun and which ones are jeune? And did you notice the stressed syllable is always the one before? So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.